Okay, we're given a lot of information here, but let's just pick out the important parts. Okay, the important parts for us are to understand that the bricks are all 5 centimetre cubes. The bricks are going to be packed into a box, and the box is of dimension here, which is also drawn out for us in a nice picture on the right hand side. The question that we need to answer is the box big enough to fit in 36 bricks? Well, let's start by trying to visualize the problem. We know the bricks inside are all 5 centimetre cubes, so here I have one 5 centimetre cube. Now let's think to ourselves, how many bricks could we fit across this 15 centimetre length? Or equally across this 15 centimetre length? Well, if each cube is 5 centimetres, then by stacking 2 next to each other, that will give me 10 centimetres, and 3 next to each other will give me 15 centimetres. So I've got 3 cubes that fit across my 15 centimetres. I know that I've got 25 centimetres along the base. So let's now pull out and think how many cubes we could fit along this 25 centimetre base. Currently this measures 5 centimetres, so 2 of them will measure 10 centimetres. 3 of them will measure 15. 4 will measure 20. 5 will measure 25. So now I have cubes all along the bottom of my base and all along the side of my base. How many cubes are there in this layer? Well, we can do some quick maths, or we can just count. Okay, we've got 3 in this direction, we've got 5 in this direction, so I must have a total of 15 cubes in this layer. Now the height of the box is 12 centimetres, so I think to myself, if this layer is 5 centimetres tall, then 2 layers will be 10 centimetres tall. Now I can't take another layer, because if I took another layer and put that on top, this would now be 15 centimetres tall, which is too much, as I'm limited to 12. So all I can do is have 2 layers. Now as we said before, the first layer, the base layer, had 15 cubes in it. The top layer will also have 15 cubes in it, making a total of 30 cubes. Now we can of course get that answer a different way by trying to find the volume of the cubes. And I think to myself that the length of this side is 3, the length of this side is 5, and the height is 2. And my calculation to find the volume is 2 times 3 times 5. 2 times 3 gives me 6, times 5 gives me, again, 30. Either way, we were wanting to answer the question, will the box be big enough to fit 36 bricks? To which the answer is obviously, the box is not large enough. And we are finished.